Top 25 Profitable Home-Based Business Ideas to Try, 2024. Tips for Starting a Home-Based Business. Part 2. Setting up a brick-and-mortar store can be capital-intensive and time-consuming. But what if you could save yourself the stress and still build a profitable business? Thankfully, with the influence of technology and the internet, you can run a profitable business from home with little or no capital investment. There are several home-based business ideas available today. In this guide, we review 25 of them. A few may require you to put some physical arrangements in place, while others are entirely online. Let's jump right in with Part 2. 25 Profitable Home-Based Business Ideas. There are several home-based business opportunities you can try out. However, the ones on this list are some of the most profitable home-based business ideas you can efficiently run from home with a computer and an internet connection. 13. Become a virtual assistant. Virtually everyone, both individual entrepreneurs and large enterprises, need someone to help with the day-to-day running of their businesses. If you have excellent organizational skills, starting up a virtual assistant business is another home-based business idea you can try. Typically, you will have to handle basic tasks like scheduling meetings, answering emails, and other basic administrative tasks. You will be paid for the effort and time to perform these tasks. You can find companies and businesses that need to hire a virtual assistant through platforms like Virtual Assistant Jobs, FreeUp, or People Per Hour. This work-from-home business idea is quite viable because of its unending demand. 14. Become an affiliate marketer. If you have digital marketing skills and can build traffic to a website, affiliate marketing is another small business idea you can try. As an affiliate marketer, you can earn a commission on certain products if you can convert your audience into customers. You will have to determine what affiliate strategy to use. This is where your creativity may get tested. What's more, you can leverage various platforms and skills to creatively sell the products to your customers and earn a profit. 15. Become a social media manager. With the popularity of social media platforms, the job of a social media manager is in high demand. Interestingly, you do not need to be employed by any agency to get started as a social media manager. With access to a laptop, the internet, a social media presence, and social media tools like Buffer, Hootsuite, or Sprout Social, you can easily set up your own social media management business. Leverage your network to land your first customers and market yourself and your services to land more clients. 16. Blogging or YouTubing. If you love creating content, you can build an audience around a specific niche and grow that following to a significant size. You can do this by growing a readership for a blog, growing a following for an Instagram account, or building an audience for a YouTube channel. Once your audience becomes large enough, you can start implementing monetizing strategies. To monetize your audience, you can market products for a brand for a fee in the form of brand sponsorships, or a commission in the form of affiliate marketing. You can also choose to sell physical or digital products to your audience. 17. Start your Instagram consulting business. Instagram consulting is a viable home-based business idea you can try if you have the skills to get more followers on Instagram and boost engagement. You can offer services like writing engaging captions, creating attractive bios, responding to comments, and more. Your clients will gladly pay you for these services. You can charge by the hour, with a subscription model, or any other payment structure that you opt for. The best part is you can easily do this from the comfort of your home. 18. Podcasting. Podcasting has grown from being a platform for thought sharing to a high-income business stream, especially if you're an entrepreneur or experienced in a niche field. As with YouTubing, you can create and record niched content distributed across your social media channels. Known for your expert insights on specific subject matters? Convert your data-backed opinions into conversations hosted on your podcast channel. The more content you create, distribute, and repurpose, the higher your chances for growth. Podcasting may not be a short-term money-making scheme, but if done well, can grow to fetch you much more than you think possible. 19. Design websites. Almost every business in this age needs a website to increase its visibility, but most business owners are not willing to put in the time required to learn it. Some just don't have the time to spare. You can help them with this if you have the skills. The cool part is that with WordPress, you don't need to code anything to build a website. You can use platforms like Dribbble, Upwork, and Fiverr to land your first customers and showcase your skills when you are just starting. Over time, you should gain traction, making it easier to build an income stream. 20. Sell products on marketplaces. With several viable online platforms like eBay Listing Tool, OfferUp, Facebook Marketplace, Amazon, Bonanza, and Etsy, you can make a decent profit from selling products. And you can sell just about anything. Also, it would be good to present the products you are selling through digital catalogs for more engagement with your customers. 21. Convert your expertise or services into products. If you run a service-based business, your growth may be limited by some factors. You can only earn based on the amount of time and effort you put in. However, there is a way out of this. You can choose to turn your service or expertise into physical or digital products. This is an excellent home-based business idea that can significantly increase your revenue. You can do this by creating courses, digital templates, videos, ebooks, or downloadable reports. You do not need an inventory for these products, and you can sell these products to customers on platforms like Solar. 23. Purchase products in bulk and resell them online. Several small business runs on the basic concept of buying products in bulk and wholesaling or retailing them. If you think you have a market for a particular product, you can choose to buy it in bulk and sell them individually to make a profit. You can also choose to resell in larger quantities to retailers for a profit. By buying in bulk, you can get the products at a lower cost. 23. Become a personal shopper. Do you have a good taste for fashion? Do your friends and family come to you for fashion and shopping advice? You can build on these skills by becoming a personal shopper. As a personal shopper, you can help your customers shop for clothing items that suit their style. Your primary duties will be to evaluate your customers' wardrobe and shop for items for them. You can even shop online to get these items for your customers. Thankfully, there are several online stores to choose from. 24. Home-based catering business. If you've got great cooking skills, you can monetize them by setting up a home-based catering business. You can choose to start small or big depending on how much initial capital you are willing to put into setting it up. If you're completely new to this, consider starting small, experimenting with your local food markets, and catering for small events. You can also start a food delivery business. 25. Email marketing. Do you know how to write excellent emails? Do you have a knack for crafting attention-grabbing subject lines? If so, you can monetize these skills by launching an email marketing business. You can use different platforms to find companies looking for help with their email marketing. You can even show off your skills directly by sending them cold emails. Besides email copywriting, you might need to learn how to use email marketing tools such as Klaviyo and MailChimp. Conclusion. We hope you'll explore one or more of these 25 profitable home-based business ideas. To increase your chances of success, pick one that aligns with your personal goals and interests and focus on it. These ideas are ideal for students, stay-at-home moms and dads, and anyone looking to supplement his/her income. The best part is that you can start for free and scale up as your business grows.